Hello, good morning. My name is Dr. Apollo. We're here again to discuss the continuation of business operations. So, this time we're going to focus on change, no? Preparing to change. So, what this topic is all about. So, but before that, let me explain to you preparing to change, not our topic. Let me explain to you the Porter's threat model. So, what is a Porter's threat model? Because a company is changing, change of any one of this one will causing a company to change. For example, bargaining power of suppliers. So when suppliers change the price, so therefore company have to change no of the suppliers. Bargaining power of buyers, no. For example, when they change, so what will be the change of the company? So the company has to change. Otherwise, it will be a loss to the company. Because of substitutes, for example. Example, in the case of Coca-Cola, no? Cola industry. Before only Coca-Cola and Pepsi, but now there are many things, water, beverages, no? So what's their action to that? So they offer the same what the competitors offering. Okay? Threat of new entrants. So for example, new company. So how they level up with the how they will control the effect of new company because it will going to eat portion of their sales, no? And then the industry rivalry itself, no? For example, Coca-Cola and Pepsi. So they are also competing for the share in the market. No? Not only that, even in the other industry, like for example, Etisalat and Do. See that one? They are fighting. No? So change of any one of those things, so will uh, company will going to change. No? Change is inevitable in business, government, and personal and everything. No? Effective preparation for change involves strategic planning, communication, and organizational adaptability to ensure smooth transitioning and long-term success. So, because at the end of the day, if company were not able to change the change, it will uh, it will have a drastic effect, no, devastating disaster on sales, no. So they have to manage the sales, no, by responding to the change, no. So definition of change preparation, preparing to change refers to proactive steps taken to ready on organizations or individual for a sign for a significant transition, such as technological innovation, organizational structure, or cultural shift. No? That's why each company is spying the other competitor because whatever change they have, the company must prepare, and then they will go to offer the same. So that the followers of the company they can maintain. No? Otherwise, they will go to the competitor. So reasons for organizational change, technological advancement. So when the technology change, so therefore people also change. No? Now is the AI. So everyone is AI. No? Amazon have AI. Facebook have AI. Google have AI. All company normally have an AI. Otherwise, it will affect them. No? People perception. No? Have perception. They go to the one that is a leader. So, and then an economic shift, na recession, inflation. No? So if this happening, so what the company respond? So they're going to change also. They change their job, they change their location, and so on and so forth. Legislation or regulation. For example, Donald Trump increased the tariff, so the company respond. So they're going to increase the price. So things like that. No? So it has a domino effect in everything no? For a reason purchase. No? Consumer behavior changes. No? So they prepare now more on AI. So the company tends to become AI. Crisis or competition. So if there's a competition, so they have to offer more value product. If there's a crisis, for example, impending external or internal, so they have to respond to that. For example, COVID pandemic forced many businesses to rapidly shift to remote model. No? So the online become a password no? To deliver their products and services. three key steps in preparing for change: assess the needs for change. No? We have SWOT analysis. Pestle, we will discuss Pestle later. No? SWOT analysis, we know already strength, weaknesses, opportunity. Benchmarking, comparing your company with yours. No? And develop a clear vision. Example, when Microsoft shifted to cloud first strategy under Satya, because Google have been in they have Google Drives now. So company Microsoft is overtaken by Google, no, in terms of technology and service. No? So they go to cloud. No? So it define its mission, empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Communicate the change effectively, clear, consistent messaging, address concerns and benefits. No? Use multiple communication channels. No? So that one. So Unilever, example, use internal campaign and employee engagement programs to successfully implement its sustainable living plan. So train and support employees, provide workshops, seminars, and e-learning. Offer emotional support through coaching and counseling. Application when NHS this on the health now introduce electronic health records. It invested in staff training system testing and pilot program because they are the one who are going to carry on. Then monitor and evaluate progress. Use feedback to adapt these on outcomes, celebrate milestone. So those are the monitor. So because monitor, you will capture the error, no? And then quick fix. So we have the model. So Levin's change model. Please change practice, no? Butler's 80-step model. Create urgency, build a coalition, form a strategic vision. ADKAR model, no? Awareness, desire, knowledge, stability, reinforcement. Okay? So ADKAR, remember. So Adler's model successfully used by British Airways to manage its cultural and operational restructuring in the 1990s. Applicability in industry, so in retail, the scenario e-commerce disruption response, brick and mortar stores pivot to online platforms. For example, Tesco. Finance rise, fintech banks create digital first strategies. Now that's the response. The change scenario in education, online learning. So that's the change now. So university adapt blended learning models. University blended. So everything now is blended. Public sector, technology, climate change policy, related response, council implement sustainable transport, port, and waste initiative. Common barriers to change, now the problem is resistance from staffs, no? Because staffs don't want to change. They've been used to it. So how do you let them? So lack of leadership support, no? When the manager not want to give funding, no? Or communication, no training, no? Insufficient training. Like this. These are our reference, no? So that's all for today's in the preparing for cheese. No? Tomorrow I will have the best no? Or another topic. Okay. So bye for now. Thank you for having me.